Hi, I'm Sibo. This is my grade 10 computer science 2019-2020 exam. So for my code.org game, on the left you can see my game lab. I have my game. Now this is a two-player game where you're controlling the cow with arrow keys and the pig with WASD as the cow tries to get the burger and as the corgi and the chicken in the bottom corner watch. Now looking in the bottom right in our code, I have declared my cow, my pig, my corgi, my chicken, and my burger, all with the appropriate size and scaling. Then below that, my score. Then below that, we have my draw function, which starts my initial background, which is pink, with each if statement for key down, up, left, right, and down to control my cow with the arrow keys. Then below that, we have the if cow is touching the burger, or the if burger is touching the cow. Right here, then the burger will spawn to a new location and the score will go up. So if you look in the game lab, you can see that every time the cow touches the burger, score goes up and the burger moves to a random position. Now the pig is trying to defend the cow, or trying to defend the burger from the cow, so the pig can actually move the cow away. But when the cow touches the burger and it exceeds a score of 5, which will happen right now, background changes, and then once it exceeds a score of 10, which it is about to do, the background changes again. So below here in the code, we have that if the score exceeds 5, the second background function will be called, and below that we have the WASD key down if statements to control the pig, and below that we have if the pig is touching the cow moves with it, so we're using a bounce off function for that. So if you look in the game lab, you can see the cow is being moved by the pig. And then below that, we have that if the score is greater than 10, the third background function will be called, which makes it green. And then below that, we just have the text size for the score and the location of the scoreboard. And below that, like always, we have to have our draw sprites. And then we have our two functions calling our second and third background being blue and green. Thank you.